Wiggle your toes for me. There we go. All right. Okay.
I'm okay.
Gonna pin you in here. Yeah, try relax. Take some deep breaths. Doing good. Should move you a little bit toward your feet. Scoot you down a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yep. Just want to get the top of your crest. All right. There we go. All right. Lift you up here. All right. Take some deep breaths in and out. Keep your teeth together. Don't clench. Yeah. Nice big deep breath in. Wiggle your toes for me. There we go. All right. You okay?
I'm okay.
Wiggle your toes for me. There we go. All right. Surprising, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I watched a
Some
million
breaths.
videos and saw a
Yeah.
million people's reactions, but it was very different once I felt it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you feel it release all the way?
Yes.
Perfect. All right. Yeah. Wow. Okay. How you feeling?
I feel good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I feel really
It's not as scary, not as big a deal as
I was a little
everybody
scary,
thinks.
but it was-
Yeah.
it was good.
Good. Come on up.
Your head's still on your body.
Yes, still attached. Absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah. Do the same thing here. All right, we'll flex your head. There we go. Yeah, just take a walk for a few minutes before you go.
I particularly felt a release like around
That rib head?
by where like the knots kind of tend to form.
Sure, sure.
Right
It
there,
will
it just
help.
felt
It
like
stretches everything out.
like it really put something into the right place in there.
Yeah. Look, then we'll tuck your chin, pull it back, put your hands back like this, yeah, and then turn, lift and look at the ceiling there. It's kind of awkward, but yeah, you're doing good. All right, one more here. Okay. Just helps lock everything in.